The way that I learned about medians in school is that we had a long set of numbers and we just kind of cross things out, right? So we'd have like a set and it would be like 1, 3, 5, 5, 7, 9, 13, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, perfect. And then in order to find the median, we just cross one off from the lowest side, cross one off from the highest side, lowest, highest, until there was one or two left, and then that was our median. So the frustrating thing is the SAT doesn't often give us a long list. They give us these charts or graphs, and so we've got to kind of somehow make sense of what they've given us in this other way that we're used to. So we're used to this cross-out method. We can still do that. We just need to adapt it for this graph. This is a histogram. So how do we do it? Well, we need to cross out one number on the low end and one number on the high end until we get to the middle. And so each number here is represented by a little slice of the gray rectangles. So this 7 up here is one number. So in order to balance that out on the low end, I've got to cross out one of the ones. And I can keep doing that. So if I cross out another 1, I cross out one of the 5s. Notice I'm skipping the 6s because there are no 6s. There's no bar there, so there's no number that is 6. So now it's 2 and 2. Here we go, the third number. And now all the 5s are gone. Then we go to the 4th. And then the 5th. And then the 6th. Right? You can count the number of slashes I've done too. It's the same. 7th. 8th. Now you probably see where this is going, but I'm going to keep going with the 2s. So the 9th number from each side. And then we go to the 10th. And then the 11th. I am losing track of it a little bit. And then the 12th. And now we're out of 3s. And so the only numbers left are 2s. So I'm done. I know that the median is going to be 2 because there's nowhere else I can go. So the median is 2. And what they want to know, though, is not what the median is. They want to know in how many of the games played did the soccer team score goals equal to the median number of goals for the 29 games. So how many 2s are there? 9. That's my answer. So it's really not about like writing everything out. I don't think that that's efficient. If you really only feel comfortable doing this by writing them all out, you can. But I think you're just wasting a lot of time. You really got to get used to doing it in a chart or a graph because that's how the SAT likes to present the information. But still, you wouldn't get this right no matter what if you didn't memorize what a median is. A median is the middle number when we arrange them from least to greatest. That's why we can cross them out because we're working our way towards the middle. And yeah, it's like this thing we learned, back when we were 10. And it still works now. We just got to adapt it for the specific SAT situation. But once we do, there you go. Easy 10 points.